Hello everyone. Today I have brought for you this topic, comparison of 4-digit numbers from your first chapter, numbers up to 9999. In our previous class we have learnt how to read or write a 4-digit number, what was the place values and face values of the digits in a number and the expanded form of a given number, these things. Now today we will learn how to compare between two numbers, that means which one is larger and which one is smaller among some given numbers. So before starting comparison, let us take two 4-digit number and we have to compare which one is smaller and which one is larger. Let us take these two numbers 7925 and 9527. Now we have to compare between these two numbers and have to say which one is larger and which one is smaller. So as they have same number of digits, we will check first the leftmost digit of the number, which is here 7 in the first number, and in the second number it is 9. We know that 7 is less than 9. So from this comparison we can say that this number is smaller than this number, means that sign is fit for it. So 7925 become the smaller one, and this number becomes the larger one. 9527 is larger. So we have compared between these two number and decide which one is smaller and which one is larger. Now let us take another two number. Three two 8285 and 3258. Each of the number has same number of digit, 4 digit. Now we will check the first leftmost digit. Here is 3, here is 3. Both have same. So in that case we will pass to the next digit. Next digit is here 2, here is also 2. These two digits are also same. Then we pass to the next digit. Next digit is here 8, here is 5. We know that 8 is greater than 5. So from the third position digit, that is the digit at the 10 place, this is 1 place 10 place. 10 place digit, here is 8, here is 5, greater than. 8 is greater than 5. So from this comparison we can say that this number is greater than this number. So here we get that 3285 is larger and 3258 is smaller. So in this way we can compare between two given numbers. Now suppose the question is given that you have to check the larger one and smaller one among more than two numbers. Suppose I am taking 3 numbers. You have to say which one is larger and which one is smaller. So question is, which one is larger and which one is smaller? The numbers are, number 1, numbers are this one, this one, this one. 3 numbers I have taken, given 3 is given in the question. You have to say which one is larger and which one is smaller. So in each of the numbers check the first digit. Here is 7, here also 7 like the leftmost digit, here is 9. So we get that among these three numbers this digit is greater from the left side. So this number becomes the larger one. So we get our larger number in answer. 9725 is larger. This one is larger one. Now we have to find the smaller one. So smaller will come between these two numbers. Let us check. Next digit, here is 7, first digit was 7 and 7, the leftmost digit. Next digit is here 9 and 9, same. Now check the next digit, which is here 2, here is 8. So 2 is smaller than 8, 2 is smaller than 8. That's why this number become the smaller one. So we get 7925 is smaller. So in this way we can compare among some numbers and find out the larger one and the smaller number. Next, coming to the another topic, ordering of numbers. Ordering of numbers. Ordering means ordering is of two types. Number one is ascending order, and number two descending order. What is ascending order? Ordering means some numbers whenever given you have to arrange the numbers either in ascending or descending. Ascending means smaller to larger. Smaller number to larger one. That means we will first find the smallest one, then the next smallest, and in this way we will pass to larger. And descending order from larger to smaller. Now let us take an example. Question is, arrange the numbers in ascending order. The numbers are these three. You have to arrange the number in ascending order. So ascending order means smaller number to larger number. First we will find which one is smaller. So we have to check the first number of digits 4, 4, 4, same. Now check the first leftmost digit, here is 3, here is 3, here is 5. So smaller will come from this two because this is the larger. We get the first leftmost digit is 5, so this one becomes the larger. So 5320 is the largest most. Now we have to find which one is smaller among these two. So check the next digit. Here is 2, here is 0. 2 is greater than 0. So this one is become the, in order, this is the first smallest number. This become the second smallest number and it is the largest, so that is the third position. So in ascending order, here is the answer. In ascending order, the numbers are first this one 3025, second is this one 3205, and third one is this 5320. So this is the proper ascending order. Let us come another example to arrange the numbers in descending order. Arrange the numbers in descending order. So, descending order of these three numbers. These three numbers are taken. You have to say which one is larger, you have to arrange the numbers in descending order. So, descending order means larger to smaller. So, we will find which one is larger among these three numbers. Each of the number have same number of digits 4. Now, we will check the leftmost digit 9. Here is 9, 9, same. So, we will pass to the next digit. Here is 8, here is 9. Here is 7. So, which one is larger digit? 9. So, this number become the first one because we are finding first the largest one. So, this is the first position number. Second position number, this one. And third position number is this one. So, in descending order we get the numbers are first this one 9975, second is 9825, third one is 9728. So, this is the proper order. So, students, we have learned here comparison of numbers, how to check the larger and smaller number, and how to arrange the numbers among some given numbers in ascending or descending order. So, this was today's topic. In next class I will discuss another topic. Thank you and goodbye.